Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting. We're going to build an MT5 trading bot using Chatgpt. That's right, artificial intelligence meets algorithmic trading. So let's get started. For those who are new, MetaTrader 5 is one of the most popular platforms for Forex and stock trading. And Chatgpt, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful AI that can help us generate code. We'll combine these two to create a trading bot that can execute trades based on predefined strategies. I was going to Chatgpt and I asked him to build me a trading bot. Now let's bring Chatgpt into the picture. I'll ask Chatgpt to generate some basic code for our trading bot. After he delivered me this code here, then I asked him to add some new functions to this source code: a stop loss, take profit, and an RSI indicator. Then I copied this MT5 source code in the MT5 MetaTrader editor to build this bot. Sadly, I get some error codes. After several tries, I have optimized this code that the bot is working. Now I have copied this bot in the MetaTrader 5. Here I put the dates where I want to test the bot, and here we test it with 10,000 USD. With our code ready, it's time to test the bot. We'll backtest it on historical data to see how it performs. Now the program is running. How you can see now, this bot have make amazing results. He made over 200 millions in profit. Unbelievable. And important is to know, the MT5 backtesting program is very close to the reality. What a nice bot. Now we look in some detailed informations for this backtest. Here you can see the drawdown and some other details. And there you have it. We've built an MT5 trading bot with the help of Chatgpt. Remember, algorithmic trading involves risk, so always do your due diligence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.